lost to FEU. They lost to Davao. The team they beat already eliminated, San Sebastian. They won in 4 sets. On the other hand, Arellano had a good run. In fact, they were tied with Ateneo, Adamson, together at 4-1. The biggest victim they had, of course, were the champions of the UAAP, the Ateneo Lady Eagles, 5-setter. And we are underway already. The first point scored by AU.
Yeah, but you know, funny, Seva, kanina during the warm-ups, you can see talaga the difference of the addition of Dakis and Gonzaga.
Yeah.
Sa warm-up pa lang, kita mo ganadong-ganado sila. Paul, sila Talma, Kasugod. Parang they're also focused and, you know, upbeat.
Actually, FEU was all set to go on vacation.
Yeah.
And then San Sebastian lost that last game, and FEU was told into the next round.
Well, now they mean business.
I guess so. Shakey's for fun. Family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. It was the Davao win against San Sebastian in straight sets. And Roger Gurayan said, first time for me to go on an early vacation in 10 years. We did that game last week, last Tuesday.
Oh, but I remember Coach Roger saying it's time to rebuild.
Yeah.
And we want to start early.
Clearly so. And hindi na nga niya daw natutuunan ng pansin ng rebuilding because medyo na-divide yung attention niya. But this ball game is now currently at 2-3. And Lions again, Mosquito Coil and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's B League. Proudly Philippine-made.
Oh, good defense.
And may weapons itong Arellano, but I know what you're looking for in their game. You know, konting energy, spark. Mag-ingay kayo ng konti.
Ingay, diba? Yung may spunk Yun yung maganda sa isang team.
Arellano defeated Southwestern, won against Ateneo, and defeated St. Louis. Had a magnificent run.
Boy, but Arellano actually starting off really strong here in the first set.
And they came, they're just coming off a loss against NU. In the meantime, just a bit offline, but inside.
Let's look at the lines. Medyo may delay yung pagka point niya.
Exacto. Adamson won against Arellano on April 10 in 5 sets. Boy, what a thriller. 15-11 was the count in the last. Perhaps none as close to the win of the Lady Aguilas against the Eagles 1917.
Yeah.
The final count there.
Nakita ko yun sa stats
Here's the setup job. The easy thing. Gonzaga, her presence making a difference right away.
Yeah, and pinapakita niya sa atin, ganito kadali lang mag-score ng point, You know, I just dump it there. In between the blockers.
And this is where that spark you want from Arellano to come into play. Alam mo, especially Dakis nandiyan, biglang na-intimidate nandiyan si Gonzaga. In the meantime, here's the attack by Arellano. Easily handled from the back row. Papa tracks it down into the back row. The setup job. Henson! Yes!
That's right. That was a great set by Legasyon. Totally fooling. Ito ko si Kasugod. So Gonzaga was left all alone. Kita mo, Henson, no? So many, ang laki ng space to work with
And Donna with a coming out conference. Axel's the official outfitter of the Shakey's B League. She's played so well. I think she was best player at least twice during that run.
And we can see why, no?
The whip and kept alive.
Oh, very low.
Baba.
Very good save by Dakis.
Ginawa ng paraan Papa got to it. In the air, this is a free ball. Gonzaga, no need to force it. Reverse set, alanganin. Longest rally. Down the middle it goes with Gonzaga.
This is a pretty mean front line, but Gonzaga goes to serve. But prior to that, can you imagine you have Dakis, you have Kasugod, you have Gonzaga. Wow.
Yes. It's like one of those tall...
national team.
Yeah, exactly. Tall buildings in the new building of FEU in the Commonwealth campus. In the meantime, dropped inside. Dakis stretches for it. Rachel has no problem with it.
What happened? I was just about to say, Steph, na medyo sloppy yung play ng FEU, but they get a sloppy point. So
Well, in the situation they're in, everything is accepted. Regalos, ugly points. We need to win here, says FPU. Henson digging in deep. Recycled offense. Joust. Talo FPU dun.
Oh, Salamagos, very tall, no? We've talked about her a lot of times as well, yung blocking niya. But in that play, you can see, Kasugod had her back against the net and the ball. Siyempre, yung power ni Salamagos was more even kasi she stood her ground.
Yes. And there's a nice double block. Salamagos managing to reach for it. Tap over nicely. Doug familiar back his gate towards the approach. Taviera is rejected.
Oh,
Di na ilihis.
Oh, and Kasugod just makes up for that joust, that loss.
Our score 7-7. This is the way to play the quarterfinals where it all matters.
Yeah, we're talking about it nga, diba? We're expecting long matches.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Not because of curse, but because of the quality of game.
Yeah, I guess so. Here's a free ball given by Dakis. Here's a close range. Oh, what happened there? No eye contact? Mali ang timing.
No, Salamagos actually got entangled with Topiera.
In the meantime, they get something out of nothing and hit and it was something that the officials had decided on. It was not a playing violation kasi.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we're back to live and real-time action. Although you're watching this on GMA News TV on slightly lively delayed basis as we start schedule. But when we get to the finals, we'll be live all the way. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's League.
And you hear the fans because, of course, up at the serving deck with Dakis.
Regalo hammered but kept in play.
Oh.
What's happening? Broken play in. Papa. Gigil.
Sayang. You know, she had the right thing in mind. She was there. Yung tama lang ng bola sa kamay niya yung mali.
Yeah, I guess so. Mas palinghado yung tama doon sa kamay. 9-8. Ang lamang po ang Arellano.
Good serve.
Topiera serving play. Papa with the set. Tough angle to work with, but it is knocked down. No problem that time for Pons. Without Dakis and Gonzaga before, Pons was carrying the load for FEU.
Yep.
Papa serving.
Good serve.
Henson cranks it up. Alanganin pwesto. Nagkarigaluhan. Pinas sa kabila. Gonzaga. He's been scoring so well.
But you know, Gonzaga, yun yung maganda sa addition ni Gonzaga for FEU. She's so patient, so smart. You know, for me, she's one of the best pag-joust.
Good point.
Pag-joust. Or near the net.
And the decision-making she has. And she's come to terms with the fact that not everything has to be all power.
Yeah.
All power.
Just a smart player.
Absolutely. 10-9. Henson, boy, she gets into the air. She can take that Instagram of her target on the other side and put a hashtag on it.
Yeah, she just really... Yung contact na kasi, no? Very high, tapos mabilis pa.
Let's call that the eskinita siya. Naghanap ng shorter route eh.
Oo.
Sa pagitan ng dalawang blocker. Tinaas. Ay pumalo ni Gonzaga.
Hindi pa. Warm up pa lang.
Ayun! Well,
she heard you.
Regalo or otherwise, I'm gonna hammer this.
Talagang outstretched eh, no? Good block though.
Ganda lang ng coverage sa ilalim. Medyo lang. Well, you like that. If you're Coach Javier, at least somebody was underneath.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng regalo nun, no? Baon na baon. Nakita natin.
Baon.
Vertical leap lang.
And nice attempt by the libero to keep it in play. Just couldn't get it to stay in the air.
Yep, that was Ibiza. Not the girl from Ipanema.
Yeah. Set. Oh, well done.
Yep. Kasugod forgot about Rosario. Has been silent so far in today's match.
Ngayon pa lang nabigyan si Rosario ng bola na maganda eh.
Talagang late yung blockers as we can see.
based on the premise, nakalimutan
Oo.
na pwede tumira si Rosario.
May weapon pala sila nun.
Gonzaga, and I still have a hangover from my volleyball game last Wednesday. I was trying to spike the ball back in. 13-11.
Balita ko, you're gonna play daw for the V-League.
Oh, you are hearing rumors, my friend. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made.
Rumors are vicious lies.
Yeah, absolutely. Kasugod with a spinning dig. Pumunta sa kabila. Pinalo ni Rachel. Henson wants something. You can tell she was on liftoff. Labas lang.
Oh, that was so far. Pero at least Henson tried to do something out of it. Wala lang. Masyado malayo lang.
Si Dana kasi pa. Look at that body. It's so little. It's so light. But she has the body of a sprinter.
Yeah.
Without the muscles. But she can... Kasi mga sprinter, eventually they grow muscles dahil nagwe-weight training. In the meantime,
Oo, si...
dalawang libero ang ginagamit nila
Yep. Ibiza came back for...
This is Ibiza right now on the floor.
For Galang.
Ooh. Cubera ended up sprawling 5 and Pons serving.
Yeah, he had a point because they suddenly collapsed because of their poor reception.
Yes, indeed.
And the liberos were the ones making the errors.
Jovelyn Prado unable to get it across a single coverage, denying her access. 17-11. Napanood niyo po ang Shakey's V-League dito sa GMA News TV. Sam Samantha Noringo at si Aya Pablo ang inyong mga kasama.
Oh, Sev, I have some interesting
Go,
stats here.
go.
In terms of digging, Arellano is actually out digging FEU 30% as compared to 15%. But I don't have the numbers on reception, but I know it's the other way around.
It's currently 18-11 and Opi Cabier wants to talk things over again.
Walang nangyayari, ikaw binigyan ka ng bola, anong ginawa mo, yung kamay nila nakaganyan. Pinatama mo sa block, binigyan mo ng mahina, sana sinumpak mo na ng malakas para katanali pwede mag-out pa yung bola, mag-catball ka. Eh, ginanong mo lang, binigyan mo lang sa kalaban yung bola eh. Ano gagawin nun, di ba? Blocking ka ng kalaban. Gustutin muna, importante na
I love that gap, that moment of silence before Dana Henson shouted, "Tara, receive tayo," because they're down by 7 currently.
Yeah. Someone just always has to second the motion muna.
Yeah. And Coach Javier is precisely right. Good read that time. Ibiza said, "I'm not going to add one more mistake to my problems this afternoon."
Oh, that was a great timeout by Coach Obet. They get the point, the free point.
And Dana Henson will be serving. Dana Henson, what a performance she had in the course of this conference, no matter where it goes. But that's a little too much muscle.
What muscle? What?
Wala
What are you talking about?
Whatever sinews are left.
Sinews. Sinews.
Shakey's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. But there are some people blessed with a frame like that, and she will probably be like that for most of her life.
Yeah. No?
All her clothes will fit.
Forever.
That's out.
Oh.
And it is 19-13.
But you can sense for FEU that Takis is still adjusting to the sets of Inapapa. Sagun and Tikar in the usual substitution for
Yes.
Coach Obet.
For a while, she played for Ateneo in the first conference last year. She got used to
Yes.
Jem Ferrer's sets. Oh, Atakis rams into a roof.
Yep. Good entry by Sagun. And teaming up with Salamagos.
So,
Yeah.
Inapapa is also in that getting to know you stage wherein she's trying to understand where does Ate Rachel want it.
Yeah.
Ginagamit ho namin yung ate kasi alam mo po, yung mga teams, pagka nagkakasama-sama, yun ang tawagan nila eh. Si Ate Rachel, si Eliza nga, cannot come to terms pa na ate na tawag sa kanya ngayon eh. And then meantime in Southside, because when she was starting out, the ates of the Ateneo were Gretchen, Jem, and the others.
Nakachi.
And suddenly, with this new batch of players that came in, she became Atelay.
She had to mature earlier than the rest.
Yeah, sila daw ni Den Lazaro. Suddenly they were the babies, and then they were suddenly just as quickly the Ates. Nice serve, just above the net. Good set. It is rejected nonetheless. Recycled offense. Alangan yung gagawa ng paraan. Out na yun. Huli. Nice block. Nice block.
Yeah, you know, that was what Coach Obet Javier was saying. The way you block, diba? Penetrate the net, and that was exactly what they're doing right now.
And make the opponent feel that it's hard to penetrate our airspace. It's 15 to 20, a much livelier Arellano. Now, when we came out of those two timeouts of Arellano, I was remembering what you mentioned at the top of the telecast, kulang ng energy. Yung spark. In the meantime, meron lumulutang sa ere na walang bola.
That's right. Another miscue for FEU. And look now, just a 4-point lead by FEU.
Remy Palma ended up with nothing there. Papa resetting. Still a low set.
Yes. We can sense some struggles here for FEU.
Huli. Dakis.
Single block for Dakis.
You saw so clearly how Dakis said, and that's a facet of her game that has improved steadily through the years. When she was younger, starting out with FEU, sige, spike lang. Because yun naman ang trabaho niya. Middle hit. Out.
Too much juice there. Pero what I liked about that block by Dakis, talaga parang stinap talaga lang na so it went down, no? Straight.
Clear rejection. Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's League, proudly Philippine-made. Anna Henson sends it airborne. Becomes a set. Pablo. Oh boy.
That barely made it.
Hindi gumapang over.
To Piera with that hitting error. And 3 straight points by FEU.
Sayang kasi rumimati na from 1913. Well, let's listen in again.
Bakit natin mabaling bola? Kasi ang kinukontak mo doon sa bababang part na nung bola eh. Namin bumababa yung bola sa may wala talaga mangyayari sa yan. Itaas mo yung kamay mo para luminis yung palo mo. Hindi ginagawa mo, pinagpipilitan mo, kala mo makukuha mo sa power. Mali eh. Mali, 2 beses na gagawin mo.
23-16, stepping out of the AU timeout. Of course, for a long time, Rachel Andakis used to the setting of Wendy Simana when they were together, and they won a UAAP title. Of course, they've separated ways. Wendy plays for the Air Force, and Rachel is with the Army.
Yep, and but wow, what a serve! It just dropped.
Gusto mong magpagupit bigla. Okay. Want to be anywhere else but here when that happens.
Well, Dakis really just wants to finish this first set
God,
quickly.
you were saying?
Yep, on cue.
Ate Rachel with 2 service aces, ices the first set at 25-16. The onus, ang responsibilidad, ang cargo, nasa panig ng Arellano. Kailangan rumisponde sila. Let's watch this. Take his shake and play. Back in a moment. Problems chemistry in terms of the setting. Anong klaseng toss ang gusto? Paano na-address yan today? Baka hindi today, kundi sa practice na the next couple of days if they continue to play together. Naku, pinaluan, may baon. Baon na, may baon pa.
Well, speaking of Gonzaga, she's actually the top scorer here in the match that was 8. That's supposed to be 7. Pons with 4, Henson with 3, and Rosario with 3.
First surge by FEU via Gonzaga's big hit, 1-0. Papa, the nice thing about these 2 players that they've added will make the younger players better also.
Of course.
And Pons, hoping, natawa siya sa I'll say it out loud. Kalokohan niya.
Oo. Kasi gusto niya mag-down the line, pero yung body na parang hindi ma-shrink.
Kaya pagharap niya kay Coach Shaq, sorry. And Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. I was kidding, Shaq. Kumuha ka lang ng bala, yung pang matindi-tindi na. No? Kailangan manalo daw eh. In the meantime, Pablo connecting on that one.
Yeah, but you know, Sev, in that first set, no, you could see attacks 9 lang. It wasn't really, spectacular shots.
Okay.
But it's more of, that first set, Arellano talagang masyado sila, we talked about, nag-crumble towards the end ng first set. Puro errors.
In the meantime, Pons, si Remy Palma, parang little girl pag naglalaro. Tutuwa ako sa kanya. Parang laki-laki niya, tapos parang sa little girl yung mannerisms niya. Parang the joy of play. Alam mo, madalas nasabi ng mga coaches, enjoy lang kayo. I still don't get it. But when you see Remy Palma, who just started out because of libero play, she's just gives you meaning to why this game is fun. Gonzaga is all business.
Yeah, you can really sense that both Dakis and Gonzaga really, they're taking over this FU squad. They're taking over Coach Shaq.
So you have less to talk about.
Yeah.
Iron Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's B-League, proudly Philippine made.
Well, this is a different 6 for Arellano. Sagun in, even Runari, their guest player.
Si Ron De La Cruz.
Yeah, De La Cruz. Senior moment tayo.
We're looking at different pieces of paper. In the meantime, good look at Rachel Andakis. Nice to have her back in the Shakey's B-League, of course.
And her clips.
Hello.
Yan ang regalo. Yan ang nagte-take advantage ng regalo.
Si Ate Rachel. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
Pons.
Si Bernadette.
Good serve.
May baon, may laman, pinaluan. Akala ko fake bigla si Kasugod, bibigay kay Dakis. Ngayon binigay kay Dakis. Tinaas.
Very good cover. Gonzaga's everywhere.
Kulang na lang, magtinda ng Shakey's Pizza ito. Dakis, the familiar gate. Hello. Frozen moment, let it go. Bang! That is out.
Don't you just love that? Yung in-over niya, pero nasa net na siya.
Alam mo kung sa slow-mo yun, makikita mo yun, para siyang ihinto yung slow-mo. Tignan natin, bang, bang, whoop, hindi na makina yan, siya na yan. Yan ang natawa sa kalokohan niya. In the meantime, it is 5-3. Into the net. And making it a gift. 3-6 is the count.
Boy, don't you love all these, with the ad-libs that happen, no?
And these are the veterans at work here. In the meantime, making the league just a little richer.
Yep.
Labas. May mga gustong gawin ang Arellano. They're taking some risks here, but not connecting because they're a little off target.
Yeah, and the problem is, when we were analyzing Arellano, they're a good team, no doubt. But the thing is, when they need to make changes...
Ira, and rin, nagpapatuloy, nakita natin doon sa timeout na yun, ano? Kasi, sinosolo, dinidibdib, hindi magsalita, no? Volleyball is one game where you have to be noisy. I'm not kidding.
You cannot be an introvert.
And then, not the sport. The libero got a serving of the sermon again because hindi siya, the way we would call it nung araw, hindi siya nakatusok sa gitna.
Oo.
Bakit siya nagtatago? Di ba? The best place to start is really in the middle.
Yep. Funny with that, when you're talking that kill of Dakis, you know it was a miss hit. Pati si Coach Shaq natawa. Tapos nag-eye contact sila, parang nag-asaran with Dakis.
9-3. Banting maaga to. Tapos yung first set, 25-16. Dakis. Aren't we just so familiar with that strike?
Oh, yeah. And you can hear Coach Shaq saying, paluin mo! He wants the bomb.
Kasi, para matapos yung agony. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's Wheelie, proudly Philippine-made. Into the net it goes, and, well, Gonzaga shaking her head.
Yeah, but it's nice to see Gonzaga in a yellow uniform. We've been seeing her in green and black, no, for
All
Army.
varieties.
Yes. Ganda bagay sa kanyang yellow.
The one I enjoy changing uniforms is Michelle Carolina every year. Diba Michelle will wear, she started Lasal, Letran, tas Lasal, then nag-FEU rin. She's been around.
Yeah.
Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's Wheelie. Here's a nice floating serve. Into the air we go. Arellano, nothing is working. Their confidence is gone.
The shot. That's what I was saying. Their problem is, once they have to make changes, they're not the same team.
Yes.
Diba?
Pag nawala yung first 6, nabalasa.
Yes.
Because Coach Obed is looking for something. And they're down currently. Buried by 9 points, 13-4. I don't know what thing new he can say this time out.
Wala na eh. Hindi tayo makapag-isip ng tama eh. Sunod yan. Hindi tayo nag-iisip ng tama. Sunod-sunod ang error natin. Sunod-sunod ang pulis ng kalaban. Mamamalayan na lang natin, 25 na, 4 pa rin tayo. Wala tayong ginagawa. Inahayaan lang natin na magkamali sila para makapunod tayo. Mali naman ata yun. Ginawa kayo. Mato na mga magkakamali na kalaban.
Coach Obed must be thinking, do I have to sing, dance? What do you need, girls? What do you need to perk you up here?
Grow your hair.
Diba? Walang energy in laro nila. It's so flat.
Yeah, and I like what he said nung, hindi kayo nag-iisip eh. Mamaya 25 na sila, 4 pa lang tayo po sa errors.
And which is beginning to look that way. And if the woes continue, boy, they can't find it. They have a no-go-to person. Even Donna Henson, I don't know if she's on the floor.
I don't see her.
Wala rin sa floor.
Well, maybe when it's the
Kaiser
libero.
Libero swings it on, and Dakis hammers that down. It's 15-4.
Oh, commanding 15-4 lead.
Last 5 points have been all FEU. Legasyon is back in.
Yeah, I think they need their starting setter in badly.
Pinagbigyan ng konting balasa, but kuminsan that doesn't work.
Yep.
Oh, but even the others are playing better now. Palma. Last 6 points, all FEU. May count pala. Now I get 1, 2. Uy, soft stuff. Nilambutan na tawa si Gonzaga.
May count si Gonzaga, 1 patay.
Nagtatagal eh. Si Shaq, choreographer ito ng araw. Mamaya sisigaw na yan ng 5, 6, 7, 8.
Paddy Bure.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Tumaas, and Gonzaga knew that it was all for fingertips, and it is 75 with 5 serving against 17 now.
Yeah, that was Tubiera, and they need more of that from her.
Let's go to Shirley Salamagos, the tall lady who is going to serve right now. Looks long. Nope.
I think you're right. Henson's not part of 6.
Wala, no?
Wala.
Labas, the last 2 points belong to Arellano.
Medyo nagising sila, but they need to string up a couple of points.
Yeah, they're down by 11 currently.
Yeah.
Last 2 points have been theirs, however. Let's see if that revival will continue. Dak is looking for a way. What is the call? Sumama Sonet. Agno and company, and Rachel Andaki says, inirapan.
Oh, man. With a pout pa.
Inirapan.
Boy, this one, serious numbers.
Sige, go.
In terms of attacks, FEU 60%. Arellano,
Oh boy, that's such...
That's
sounds like the Philippine economy sometimes. It's really bad, huh? Through the block. Over. Palma says,
wow!
I am just happy.
Yan ang dunk. Standing dunk. I didn't think she jumped. Parang nag-tiptoe lang siya.
And if they make an MTV with the music happy, lalagay ko doon All Smile Club ko. Una si Palma.
Oh. Siyempre si Eliza kasama
Yeah,
nun.
it's one family pizza's got to be shaky. It's okay. It's okay, says the first referee. Pons. Dinaas ni Papa.
Oh, good cover. Oh, that's good.
Alanganin. Ay. Remy, hindi ka makakatagot. Malaki ka.
Where Pons has been struggling today's game, kita natin yung approach niya, yung palo niya, hindi pa harap yung follow through niya. Pa-side. Nag-hook.
Why, no? Why kaya, no? Talagang off, parang off tangent.
Oo.
17-8 or 18-8 rather. Pons.
That was better.
Keeping it in play, they go the other direction. Oh, Remy got that down. And Shaq says, hindi malutong eh. I know what he's saying. Pwede pa itaas sa kabila yun eh.
Oh, and until now, he's still talking.
Yeah, same topic. Hindi makamove on. Nice dump. Hindi nabibigyan din. Yeah, nice block. Si Rosario hindi nabibigyan ng ball.
Yes, you're right. She has been very quiet in today's game.
I'm a proud, and well, it all begins with faulty reception because the ball distribution has been spotty as well. Can't do any kind of setting. There's no first ball to deal with.
Yep.
Legasyon service in play. Nag-agawan sandali. Legasyon set up job. Off the block. Sagun. Simborio gets to see some action, pulling up Bernadette Pons.
Oh, she just can't get her regular, her normal game going today.
Yeah, medyo may iniinda. Pinaflex niya yung shoulder niya. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's Beauty. Proudly Philippine made. A rotation mistake. That's it, obviously. Wala.
I'm sure ayaw nila. I mean, no player wants a rotation error, but more so for a veteran like Rachel Antaki.
Might as well shake it off. We're ahead. Let's move on to the next point. Load up. It is outside.
Oh, trying to elude Gonzaga, and in that fashion, eludes the whole court.
It's a deeper team for FPU. What the addition of Dakis and Gonzaga have done, might as well, and you're allowed to do that in the tournament.
Yeah.
At least before the start of the subsequent round. In the meantime, that is down, and Arellano gets something going, but they're way behind at 20-12.
Oh, Sagun actually playing very well.
Check's lone source of points, actually. Here's Rosario. Thought it would be short. It's in the air. Kept in play. Sagun. Hinabol.
Free ball.
Alanganin, labas. Nothing into something.
I told you, she's the best. One of the best, if not the best at jousts.
Sa akin, isa sa pinakamagulang.
Oh. Hindi, saka ang taas ng reach niya eh.
Do not be deceived by that winsome smile.
Yep.
You're not ready for it, she will pounce on you. Nice pick up by Papa. Here comes Dakis. 1-2. Ayun na si Shaq. It is Arellano point.
Oh. Well, actually, again, no, it was Sagun. The lone bright spot right now for Coach Obed.
Ina Papa conferring with Dakis. What do you want next? Flavor of the month? Oh, special.
The special.
Ako, puro ice cream na sa isip ko. Takinit mo ito. Oh! Neatly done.
Kaya finally, no, nabasa na ng FPU. Dakis with that roof kay Sagun.
Wherever, si Sagun markado na, no? Ang gusto ko kay Rachel, she will make the block. Wala na extra motion. Alis na.
Oo.
Hindi, she will be disappointed with herself. Sisigaw siya pa kanila, pero never in front of your opponent.
She wants none of that.
Nagawa na, na-pointan na, na-score na. Papa with an easy one-hander to the other side. Ganda nung set. Ganda nung set. Nakita ko eh.
Tumigil eh, no?
Oo. Umispin parang huminto sa air eh. Sometimes from the set you know it's going to be something good.
Something special.
Yeah, something special. Yun yung ice cream na hiningi. 23-14. Yun yung kainis. Katapos ng magandang kainis.
Well, this set should have been over if it weren't for the service errors of FPU.
Actually. 23. 15 serving against 23. This is Nika Carino. Simborio got it airborne. Palma pounces on it. Sa kabila, long!
Talaga yung kita natin eh, no? Yung tama sa bola, talaga pag ganyan, palabas eh. Top spin.
Saka pag flat na flat eh, kitang-kita mo. Pero pagka may spin, ayun ako, pag natawag mo ng out, as hindi out, ako, tapos ang boxing.
Well, Dakis again ends the set with a service ace.
Life is getting to be a series of service aces. 25-16 in the first, 25-15 in the second. FEU threatening to end this quickly with a straight set win. Shakey's shake and play. Who else to shake? Lalong nagkahiwalay-hiwalay at lumaki as much as an 8-point lead enjoyed by FEU in that previous set, and I don't see any end inside. Palma connecting early.
Yeah, well, in terms of attacks in that set, 14 for FEU, 6 for Arellano. They really couldn't receive, and blocking 2-1, service 2-0. So all categories really went FEU's way.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, unforced errors. 8 FEU, 7 Arellano.
Diana Henson is back in the game. It is a check ball. Shakey's or Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Well, really, Gonzaga and Dakis both want to end this early.
Baka may lakad.
Oo, may mga date.
Nice set. But Palma keeping a hand on it. Nice dink by Gonzaga. Henson cranks it up. Down it goes.
You know, even though that took a couple of rallies, we got to give credit to the reception of Arellano, because that was the best so far in this game.
The cleanest connection they've made off the ball.
Well,
nothing happening, no reception. She wanted to say.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about Sagun. We were talking about her in the second set being the bright spot for Arellano. She actually now leads the team with 5, Rosario with 4, Tubiera with 3. And of course, for FEU, Dakis and Gonzaga, 13 and 12 apiece. Palma with 5.
I am scared for Gonzaga when she shows appreciation. Wait, Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's Beauty, proudly Philippine made. Pag nagpasalamat pala siya, gusto niya yun. Tapos inaalok niya yung ulo ng setter. Masama matuwa si Gonzaga.
Hindi, parang siguro, don't forget that
Ako yun. 3-2, and there's this nice relationship between setter and striker. In the meantime, Gonzaga, what a game she has played.
And you know she can feel it. I mean, she's feeling it. She asked for that. She called Ina, and Ina gave it to her. Alam niya eh.
While she's in the front row, she will have a fiesta there. Look at that front row. Front line of Kasugo, Dakis, Gonzaga. Rachel with a hand on it, and it is outside. Rachel just double checked. She wasn't sure, and it is an AU point.
Yep, but the Henson hit that off her hand.
Kaya nga chinek niya. Hindi ata atin. Okay. 3-4. As Dana will be serving from way back. In the air from Pons. Dakis. Oo nga, no? Ang tendency ng Ayot is to clam up, ano? Ay, hindi sila masaya.
Yeah.
Hindi sila vociferous baga. Yung hindi sila nag-uusap.
Yeah, diba, I remember one huddle, sabi ni Coach Obet, nagsosolo ka dun eh.
Oo,
Pwede nga ganun.
Gusto ko yung mga Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Field. Kamukha niya sa Double Lady Aguilas. Walang mahiyain dun eh. Lahat nagsasalita. Sabay-sabay pa eh. Oh, nicely picked up from the back row by Gonzaga. It is inside.
San ka pa? You have Gonzaga with an excellent dig. And then you set it to Dakis who gets it through.
Alam mo si Chel, pag yung atake, you know it's coming in. It's like an airport taking off. Yeah, airplane rather. Pag yung airport ang mag-take off, mahirap na yan.
That's a space na
Although, I wish our terminal one would take off somewhere else, you know. In the meantime, nice thing by Rosa. I really feel she has to have more touches.
Yeah.
Hindi siya nabibigyan dito sa larong ito.
And to think, hindi na nga siya binibigyan. She's still second in terms of scoring for
Yes,
Arellano.
but not as enough, I think, as she can probably score more. Here's a nice set. It's in the air. Galang got to it. Nice dive. Playable. Pwede paluin, but hindi muna. Third ball nito. Alanganin, tinaas.
Oh, it's still alive though.
Long. The efforts of Jovelyn Prado to keep it playable and as an offensive weapon, keeping them in good stead. It is 5 against 6. Sagan will serve.
Yeah, this is the closest so far in the start of a set.
Papa goes the other direction. Dakis is checked. It's a free ball. Wala alanganin. Nagkabanggaan si Kasugod at si Gonzaga.
Yeah, but of course, Kasugod had no business, no?
I
with
think
that.
so. In for FU number 5 is Glyza Torres. Last 3 points have been all Arellano.
Good serve.
Papa with a good set. And Torres with a connection.
Wow. She's not a very tall middle blocker, is she?
Good timing.
Oh,
Ganda ng twist ng body niya towards the ball.
Malapao Soriano yun.
Pero wala pa yung irap nito. Galang got to it. Sagun. Difficult angle. Papa. Runner. Long. Home run.
Well, you know, they haven't been getting decent shots or hits from Palma and Kasugod today.
Yes, not as consistent. In the meantime, Rosario will be serving. So I always say about Rosario, her parents happy the day she was born. She's named Christine Joy. This is in the air. Papa. No, she didn't get to it. This is Gonzaga. The set by Legacion. It will stay up in the air as Gonzaga plays like a libero.
Good stop by Sagun.
And it is off the block. Yes, Arellano ball. Arellano finally gets dito mga taga Arellano kasi, di ba? Mga kailan tama sabi ni Aaron, they need a little noise.
Yep.
They gotta spark it up. They go this way. Yes, nicely done.
Oh, this Prado has been a revelation here in the third set.
Name is Jovelyn Prado. Found it down the line. Aimed and connected. It is the first good taste of the lead by Arellano at 9-7. Dakis. Sagun over receiving. Palma long.
Oh, nanggigil si Palma because her first regalo was just pinuto lang.
Yes.
Si Rosario. She putoed her.
Putoed her. The last 4 points have been Arellano. It was 7-6, but it is now currently 10-7. Alanganin. It will stay up nagiging libero si Gonzaga today.
Oh.
Ay. Jack De Los Santos needs to regroup the Tamaraws on the floor.
Ayan na naman tayo eh. Kasi panalo na kami tayong dalawang set. O sige, pag may bumulak sa harap mo, direksyon mo ulit. Kasi kanina pa sinasabi sa iwas. Huwag kang ganang-ganang, sumunod ka, hindi ka lang ganang-ganang, kasi hindi nakukuha sa ganyan yan. Sinusunod yung sinasabi ng coach. Ha?
Hoy, lumalayo kayo score, oh.
Oo, kailan po naman, dinigay na naman natin, ha?
You pick up a coaching gem every day you do this job. Bago yun. And just Jack De Los Santos galing. Huwag ka lang easy ng easy dyan. Sumunod ka. Sundin yung sinasabi.
Hindi nakukuha, hindi nakukuha.
Hindi na ko sa kakaganyan. Bago yun. O, si Mama, kala mo, ikaw lang meron, ha? Oh!
Oh, sumusunod naman
naman. Sumunod naman. Tinusukan naman eh. 8-11.
But yari kuha na yung facial expression ni Palma.
On the money.
On the money.
Bikasa po ang aming official ball dito sa Shakey's V-League. Aha! Yung nagkagulo. May tao. Si Prado.
Sagunan Prado.
Wala sa pwesto si Prado.
Oo. Ayun,
Hindi
nalayo
niya bola
na
niya yun. Hindi niya bola yun.
Napinbot.
Oo. Hinila siya palayo. Uy, hindi ka dyan. Ay, dinisisyonan. Tinaas. Ito gawin mo. Kulog mo dyan. Tinaas. Nagkagulo ang harap. Dito tayo kay Prado. Bang!
Wow, Prado has been very successful here. Siya yung nakakapasok
Yes.
ng bola eh.
Because hindi siya mabasang ng mabuti ng FPU. In the meantime, it is 12-9. First major taste of the lead by AU, Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol. Proud partner of the Shakey's V-League. Proudly Philippine-made. Ooh, Palma, nakikinig.
Oo, nakikinig. Hindi lang purong ngisi.
Oh. Baka na-challenge yung sinabi. Nawala yung tawa eh.
Oo.
Oo, may ano na, may galit na. May diin eh.
Good serve.
Papa, and a reserve. Long. Yes, it's long. Kala ko check ball.
Sayang, no? I mean, everything was right. It was a good play. It's just the finishing.
4 of the last 5 points belonging to FEU. They were down already 11-7. Big comeback. 1, 2.
Oh!
Ganda ng bilang ni Shaq. Ano ha? Tablan tayo sa 12.
But it's funny what Coach Shaq's doing in count, no? It's funny you expect that pag collegiate, I mean, that pag high school level, eh, no? Pero pag ganitong level, parang, okay.
But siguro dahil, except for Dakis and Gonzaga, young team, ano? Yeah, 1, 2, but I agree with you also. Oh, nicely done by Donna Henson, but it's still being
It's
kicked around.
still alive.
Close. Dump! Nicely done. Gonzaga. Dinaas.
Layo.
Alanganin. Playable yun. Second longest rally. Nice rejection.
Again, mababa yung set. Palma had nowhere to go but really just tip it.
Shirley Salamagos taking care of securing the point. Lamang sila ng isa 13-12. Been a while since they've scored. Before that, yung last 3, puro FEU. Agno got it in the air. Regalo. Nagkagulo. Patay. And Palma has been the scorer of 3 of the last points of FEU.
That's right, being aggressive at the net.
Mula nung sinabihan. Shakey's for fun family pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Yep. Good serve.
Yep. Papa has to track it down. Gonzaga mahirapan. Prado reach for it. Galang has it. Donna Henson.
Oh!
Pinaluan na. Ito, masayang rally to. Hello, everybody.
Oh, good dig.
Galang picked it up from out of nowhere. Galang sa ilalim. Papa. Aha! Salabagos! Sinara ng pinto.
Yeah, but they call a net violation.
Oh, I think she was too close to begin with.
Lucky break for FEU.
Oo, talo sila ron eh. Ito tingnan natin eh. Oo nga naman. Tumama yung arm do sa net.
Sayang, no?
Well, that's the Dakis screen. 14-13. Well, you move on. But I'm sure they like that play a little better because they were all on Arellano's part. They were all tracking the ball down.
Yeah.
14 apiece.
Osorio in for Salamagos.
This is the best set so far. Both first and second sets were completely dominated by FEU. 25-16, 25-15. In the air, looks like a free ball, and it's out.
Oh, rare error there by Joe Gonzaga. Osorio still serving for Arellano.
AU playing better here in the third, no
Yes.
question. Oh, wala si Ponce din. Her time is off. And again, it is Arellano. Tara also. Aside from happy and what everything else he used to say. Tara became part of his vocabulary. Ooh, disaster on the serve.
Oh, good read by Dakis.
Balikat ang ginamit.
Oo nga eh. Boy, look at some numbers in terms of unforced errors in the set. FEU is 9 as compared to only 3 for Arellano. Crazy.
Hindi na nila maibalik yung bola eh. Nabuhay yung opensa ng AU eh.
Oo.
Binilangan na naman ng 1-2. Nicely done.
Sabi sa'yo, si Gonzaga, 1 lang eh. 1 kill.
And straight and true. And we're now tied at 16. Coming out of the technical ceasefire, last 2 points scored by the Lady Tams. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's P League. Proudly Philippine League.
The better reception for...
That's true.
For Arellano.
Torres, no idea where she was. Couldn't judge distance between net, ball, and herself.
Yes. But she had one goal in mind though.
To put it the other way.
Yeah.
Kasi napil niya nagkagulong, bumutas,
Oh.
minadali. Better libero play also from
Yes.
Zala, huh? Pierced.
See, I mean, it'll really change the complexion of a game or of a set once you have better reception.
And it is clearly so the case where Arellano University, Lady Chiefs playing more solidly, and their offense is in sync because,
Now.
and that is inside. Well, Coach Olo Javier doesn't have to go to the barber, at least for now. In the meantime, Shaq De Los Santos thinking of where to go because his team not here today in the third.
Huwag natin bigyan ng pagkakataon mga pumusong kalaban. Eh, pinapalayo natin. Tatlo lang yan. Pag inabol natin yan, dapat diretso tapusin na natin. Ha? Okay? Kaya, hindi sayangin yung pinakadiretso.
Shaq De Los Santos, who originally played for FPU, coached UST as well. An interesting alumni homecoming for him as well.
And you know, it took a while now. When he went back to FEU, he wasn't the head coach.
Not right. The Opta gentleman on the other side.